Hello everyone, this is Sneha Sharma and I am the HR of Calon company. Calon is the second fastest growing company in India. In this company, who are graduated, their salary is 24,000 and who are undergraduated, their salary is 18,000 per month. In this company, you will see many things and you will learn a lot of things. If I talk about the retention bonus of this company, they will give you after 6 months 15,000, and who are experienced, they will get 2,000 extra promotion after the tenure of 18 months. If I talk about the salary of manager, they will get 50,000 salary after the promotion. And the code of conduct is you can't abuse to anyone, you can't drink or smoke here. If you will do this, then you will kicked off from this company. And remember one thing, you can't take 3 days of leave without information. If you will take 3 days of leave, then you will kicked off from this company. So if I and our company will give you 22 coupons, 22 food coupons. It depends on you how will you use it. If you will use it before months, before time, and so you have to pay 60 rupees per plate, and for non-veg food you have to pay 90 rupees. And if I talk about weekly off, so during the training, weekly off is not fixed. It can be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, like this. If I talk about increment, so after every year your increment will be 2,000, and the dress code will be Monday to Friday will be formal, and Saturday, Sunday will be casual. But remember one thing, you can't wear slippers and you can't wear collarless or sleeveless. If you will wear sleeveless or collarless, then you will kicked off from this company. You will be kicked off from this company. And our flexible hours is 6 to 3 and 3 to 12 o'clock. It is not fixed. And you can do overtime here. If you will do overtime, then you will get double salary in the probation period of 6 months. And if I talk about voice and accent training, in this training you will see new things and you will enjoy a lot in the period of 6 months. And we will give you cab facilities also. First, remember one thing, you have to reach your spot before 10 minutes. Before 10 minutes, our driver will call you to reach the stop. And if you don't reach the spot before in 10 minutes, then you will see the punishment. And our company will give you medical facilities. If you will go to any hospital, then you will just have to pay 250 rupees only. So thank you to listening me.